Okay, so this is our last file, paying off a credit card. It's hard to see there, but there's the months, 3 months, but it keeps going on your sheet, obviously. That's the beginning balance. That's interest, how much interest you're paying each month. This is the payment, which you're going to have to decide what to make, and that's your balance at the end of the month. So it gives you the annual percentage rate, and you have to find the monthly rate. And hopefully you know how to do that. It would be 26.20% divided by 12. And that's what goes there. And that gives you 2.18%. It's not exact, but it'll stay exact inside the cell. So here I have the balance, the beginning balance. I need to find the interest. So to do that, I'm going to call that I, that cell. The interest will equal 3,800 times 2.18%. Now Excel will handle that percent as if it was 2.18 over 100. So that's what goes in there, and the way you're going to put it in there, obviously, is going to be equals this times this cell. And you want to lock this cell because it's always going to be the same going down. So let me see what I get from that. And I'm going to get 82.97. And that's what will be in here. Yours might be a little more accurate because I'm using 2.18. So now you got to decide on the payment. And the idea here will be to pay off this amount after 24 months. You can have a balance or a credit after 24 months, but you got to pay it off. So I don't know what it is, but I'll just guess something and put $150 in there. And I just typed that in, 150. So now my end of the month balance is going to be my beginning balance. That's what I owe, plus the interest that I now owe, minus the payment that I made. So for this cell, you're going to go this cell plus this cell minus this cell. And I'll figure out what that is. And I'm getting 37.32.97. 37.32.97. 37.32.97. Okay. So that's the end of the first month. You gotta have to do the second row. So the beginning balance here is what the ending balance here is, right? Month ends here, the next minute it begins here. So this is just equals whatever the cell is. Now my interest is going to be less because I owe less. You figure it out though, you can figure it out by going, you can actually drag this down, you can fill this down one cell here. But let's say you didn't, and we just get this complete second row built. It's going to be 37.32.97 times 2.18%. Click on that cell, and let's get what that is. And I'm getting 81.50. Which is a little less. I'm still now. To do this, actually what I'm going to do here is just go equal whatever this cell is. And that way I only have to change this cell if I have to change my payment. And now here it's going to be this plus this minus this equals that. And then you can grab the entire row and pull it all the way down. And you're essentially done, except for adjusting the payment. You got to read the instructions on that.